Hello guys, good evening. Ayan, nagkaroon muna tayo ng reaction video ngayon patungkol dito sa pahayag ni dating Speaker Martin Romualdez Mabayan nung napabalitang nahuli di umano sa saan ba yun? Sa Europe si former Congressman Saldico na dating Appropriations Committee Chairman Mabayan nung kanyang kapanahunan, no? Ayan, so, oy, bago natin ipagpatuloy ang ating reaction video, shoutout muna tayo kay Ate Isra at kay Sir Sakurasan at kay Ma'am Bing Ang at sa lahat ng aking mga viewers dyan. Good evening. Pakinggan muna natin tong kay Congressman Luestro Mabayan. Ayan, oh. Ito yung sinabi ni Congressman.
Sa panahon ni Speaker Martin Romualdez, correct me if I'm wrong, bumaha at bumagyo ng biyaya dito sa ikalawang distrito ng ating lalawigan. Kaya may AX dahil ni Speaker.
Ayan.
Kaya may AKAP dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may tupad dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may mga barangay road dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may patubig dahil ni Speaker. At kaya may groundbreaking ngayon dahil ni Speaker.
Yan, lahat mababayan dahil kay Speaker. So, ibig sabihin, lahat kay Speaker mababayan. Ayan. So, nung humingi ng travel clearance ata itong si dating Speaker of the House, Martin Mabayan Romualdez, na magpagamot ata sa Singapore at napabalitang nahuli itong si Saldico ayon sa Pangulo. Ay kaya lang dito pinayagan ng ombudsman, no, ni Rimulya, kaya may hold departure order ito. Ayan, naka-bulletin ata. Ngayon, ito ang naging reaksyon ni former Speaker Mabayan. Yan. So, pakinggan natin.
And because I have nothing to hide, I am today authorizing the immediate public release of the affidavit I submitted, together with all supporting information, so that the Filipino people can judge for themselves who has been transparent and who is simply being politically targeted. Now let us address the most absurd accusation of all, that I am supposedly the mastermind of this corruption scheme. How can I be the mastermind? I was the former Speaker of the House of Representatives, but the House of Representatives is only one part of the branch of government, the legislature. The national budget is not conceived, executed, implemented, bidded out, supervised, and completed by one congressman or even by Congress alone, and certainly not by the Speaker of the House. I want to make this simple and clear. The national budget does not depend on just one person. The budget does not begin in the House. It begins in the executive. The agencies and departments prepare their proposals. The executive consolidates them into the...
Sino ba yung nasa executive, mababayan? Tanong lang. Tuloy natin, pakinggan natin, mababayan. Mukhang nagkakatablahan na kasi, no? Nagkalabo-labo na mababayan.
National Expenditure Program. And that program is then submitted to Congress. From there, the House deliberates, but the House is not one person, and it is certainly not the Speaker alone.
Yun.
It is a collegial body made up of hundreds of members, multiple committees, vice chairs, and institutional processes. In fact, there are around 85 committees, each with its own jurisdiction, leadership, and members. No speaker can personally control every committee, much less direct the actions of other branches or government agencies. And in the Appropriations Committee itself, there are already more than 100 members, with many vice chairs, and Representative Toby Tiangco, who has been very vocal and upfront on this issue over the past months, was himself a vice chair of the Appropriations Committee in the previous Congress. So I have
Damay-damay na lahat. Labo-labo na to. Di ba? Hindi lang napagbigyan tumabayan na magpa-check up di umano sa Singapore. Ito na.
to ask if there were real concerns about irregularities in the budget process. Why were these not formally raised during the deliberations or even during the plenary? The budget deliberation does not stop in the House. The Senate also conducts its own deliberations, reviews its own version, and plays its own role in shaping the final budget, and it is not a bystander. It is an active constitutional participant in this process. After that, the House and the Senate reconcile their versions in the bicameral conference committee.
Halatang nagbabasa itong si Congressman Mabay, ano? Tingnan mo naman yung kanyang background, blue. Yung kanyang damit, white. Ang kanyang kamay, tingnan mo. Walang Mabayan, clean. Tuloy.
Only then is the final bill transmitted to the President for approval or veto. So let us be honest about what becomes law. The national budget is not the act of one person or one chamber. It is the product of a constitutional chain involving the executive, the House, and the Senate.
Ayun na.
This is something I want the public to understand.
Pero dito Mabayan, sabi ni Luistro,
panahon ni President Bongbong Marcos, sa panahon ni Speaker Martin Romualdez, correct me if I'm wrong, bumaha at bumagyo ng biyaya dito sa ikalawang distrito ng ating lalawigan. Kaya may AX dahil ni Speaker.
dito tayo balik tayo kay Speaker. Ayan.
The budget process is collective, multi-layered, and shared. Accountability must apply to everyone involved, not selectively assigned after the fact, and certainly not when it becomes politically useful. If corruption were to occur in a magnitude made known to us over the past months, then it's clear that the real corruption does not happen at the level of the general legislative approval alone. It happens at the level of execution of the General Appropriations Act. It happens when projects are implemented. It happens where projects are actually implemented, where procurement is undertaken, where monetary disbursements are actually made. And it happens when substandard projects are passed off as legitimate or when ghost projects are made to appear real. That is why command responsibility is far more logically relevant in the executive branch, where there is actually supervision, operational control, and implementation on the ground, than in the collegial legislative body, where constitutional role is deliberation and appropriation. Congress does not build flood control projects. Congress does not conduct procurement. Congress does not inspect whether a project was actually completed. Congress does not
Dinibang na to lahat ng sinabi ni Congressman o former Speaker Martin Romualdez ni Toby Chanco Mabayan. Doon daw, sabi ni Chanco, bilihan. Yun, may sinasabi niyang bilihan ng project Mabayan. Doon daw ito. Ayan, tuloy natin.
certify whether the work done was substandard or not. So if the allegation is that there was a systemic corruption in flood control implementation, then the public should ask the obvious question: where does implementation actually happen? Definitely not in the session hall of the House of Representatives. Here's the simplest way to test that theory that I am the mastermind of this scheme. If I were truly involved in a fraudulent scheme of this nature, then the first place one would expect to see that pattern would be in my own district.
Ay, Mabayan, kumbaga, sabi ni former speaker, Mabayan, kung ako man ay gumawa ng kalokohan sa distrito ko, wala ngang makitang ghost project. Kaya lang ito, dinibang din ito ni Attorney Guanzon Mabayan, no? Maaring, alam nyo na, siya daw yung Speaker of the House, makapag-allocate siya kung kanino man na distrito para doon. Kung hindi kapansin-pansin nyo kasi mabayan, may mga distrito na ang laki ng allocation ng kanilang budget, no? Katulad na lang doon sa Bohol. Napakalaki ata ng allocation ng budget doon. Ayun lang yan. Isa lang yun sa maaring paliwanag ni Attorney Guanzon Mabayan. Ayan, panoorin natin ulit.
In the projects most easily associated with me. You would have seen it in Tacloban, but I say this with absolute certainty. You won't see it in my district. My district has 0 ghost and 0 substandard flood control projects. 0. And that is verifiable. To prove this point, I'm authorizing my staff to share and release to the public the list of all the projects in my district that the authorities may deem attributable to me. Let the public scrutinize and verify for themselves. As I already mentioned, corruption of this scale is not a one-man operation.
Yun.
It requires 2 things:
Oh, lalaglagan
budget
na.
decisions and implementation
Laglagan na mabayan, no? Tingnan mo. Ano rin nyo, laglagan na ito eh.
on the ground. With respect to how the budget was deliberated in Congress, let me say this categorically. I was not a part of the BICAM and the small committee budget deliberations.
Laglagan na.
Yes, I was updated on the general outcomes of the deliberations, but I had no visibility with regard to the specific details of the discussions, including particular amendments or insertions approved during these closed-door deliberations. Records would show that I did not participate in those meetings and I was not privy to what exactly transpired during the deliberations. However, 2 people were
Ayun na.
instrumental in making those budget decisions: Chis Escudero
Ayun na.
and Zaldico.
Laglagan na mabayan, no? Tuloy natin.
And once the budget becomes law, the work of implementing flood control projects, or any project for that matter, is solely within the purview of the executive, including the DPWH, certainly not by legislators.
Ayan. Pero dito, sabi, eda,
Kaya may akap
ayan.
dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may tupad dahil ni Speaker.
Yun.
Kaya may mga barangay road dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may patubig dahil ni Speaker. At kaya may groundbreaking ngayon dahil ni Speaker.
Ayan, oh, ayan, oh. Lahat kay speaker. Ayan, so, sana nagustuhan nyo ating reaction video, no? Although, medyo nakailang araw na itong umiikot sa mainstream media at saka social media, mabayan. Ngayon lang natin na reaction. Sana nagustuhan. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para sa mga susunod nating reaction video, mabayan. Adios mga amigo, bye-bye. Salamat.